how to fix WhatsApp invite problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, and welcome back to this new video. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix the invite problem on WhatsApp easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is so simple. Open the settings on your phone and then scroll until you find the apps manager. Go to the apps and then scroll down until you find WhatsApp. When you find it, click on it. Now on this page right here, all what you have to do is just click on this for stop to stop the WhatsApp from working. And after that, just reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then you may be having a problem with the network or the Wi-Fi. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the very end. See you later.